Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to setting color grading on Adobe Lightroom. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Adobe Lightroom, you can open your photo that you want to edit. And in here, if you wanna setting the color grading, so you just click on the color at the bottom, this one, click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the grading, and in here you can setting the grading. You just swipe left or right this icon like this. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on this one. This is for setting the shadow, and this is for shading the mid tones. Okay, and after this, in here you can click on it for setting the highlights. Okay, and after this, in here you can click on it for setting the global. Okay, and after this, in here you can setting the luminance. In here just swipe left or right like this, and now you just click on done this one and finish. So that's how to setting the color grading on Adobe Lightroom. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.